Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2023 GMC Terrain AT4. Now, AT4 is the off-road edition of every single GMC. Now, off-road meaning beefier tires, body cladding, and a couple styling differences. It's not like this is now a rock crawl edition. That's what the Silverado ZRT was for. Infotainment pack, Skyscape sunroof with power sunshade, white frost tri-coat, tech pack, Terrain Pro Safety Plus, floor liner pack, side blind zone and rear cross traffic alert, 42995, 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder 9-speed automatic. This is due for a refresh in the coming years, but it's gotten some tweaks here and there to keep it relevant. Including the addition of the AT4 trim level, which does add some really nice touches. You can see bronze, 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 red, AT4, Bose sound. So very, very cool. Heads-up display. Let's go ahead, check out that sunroof first of all. Go for a drive. Overall, Terrain is GMC's smallest SUV, based on the same platform as the Equinox. No, that's not how you pronounce it, I'm just being funny. But just with a little bit of a luxury trim to it. No, we're technically not in Boston. We're right on the other side of 93. So everybody coming home from Boston is coming here. Please, YouTube, don't copyright me for this guy's blaring music. That is big Ultima energy. I know it's getting close, but you didn't have to trigger the forward collision abort. You know, actually you can adjust how sensitive it is with a button here on the steering wheel, which is welcome. You know, it's nice that it's an actual hard button instead of digging through infotainment to adjust a setting. Even worse is cars that have certain settings in here and certain settings in here, and not just one settings menu that's shared between the two, so you can decide how you want to enter it. That I don't like. Give me settings in one place, please. being so small and compact and having a turbocharged powertrain, this thing is just a recipe for being fun. Good amount of torque, light, nimble steering. Just a fun car to drive down these twisty roads. Look at this view, man. Every time I drive past this, I say, man, what a view. So I have a green light. I just gotta be a little careful because people tend to merge right over like that. One thing about good visibility, small compact cars, you can get through gaps like that. Not sure if this is the case anymore, but the Terrain was offered with a 2-liter turbo. I spent a lot of time in a 2020 Terrain Denali 2-liter. Loved that car. I don't remember being able to hear the turbo as loud as this, but I'm here for it. Big bump. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.